Welcome to AccessBase 2000 Training, Module 1, Software Overview using Windows 7. The AccessBase 2000 software package includes the AM3 Plus, AE1000 Plus, and the AE2000 Plus. Upon opening AccessBase 2000, you will be directed to the Acme Manufacturing Database. To familiarize ourselves with the software, we have added a panel and card holders for this demonstration. We will use this database for this module, but it is not recommended for use as an actual database. Information on creating a new database is available in Module 2. Before we get started, it is important to note the AccessBase 2000 manual can be accessed by navigating to the Help drop-down menu on the top ribbon. Selecting this option will provide screenshots and explanations on various topics. In this module, there are 5 basic areas we will cover. These include card holder screen, on/offline with installation button, upload button, toolbar, and network screen. In the card holder screen, personnel can be added with appropriate credentials, cards, transmitters, and directory and entry codes. This screen can always be accessed by left-clicking on the 2 yellow figures here. The on/offline installation button is located in the lower left-hand corner of the screen and is pictured as a yellow telephone. By selecting that icon, AccessBase 2000 will connect with the telephone entry and/or access control panel, either through dial-up or direct connect, depending on what we're using. The upload button sends information from the computer to the panel and is pictured with an upward-pointing red arrow. In this database, the upload button is illuminated. An illuminated upload button indicates information has been changed in the database, but has not yet been sent to the panel. Every time we make a change in the database, we must send that information to the panel. If we are not connected to the panel and we select the upload button, a number of packets in between the send data, or SD, and receive data, or RD, on the left of the screen are put into the queue. By connecting to the panel, the number of packets will decrease as they are uploaded. After programming, we want to see a 0 in between the SD and RD, and a grayed out icon here. By placing a checkmark in the Disconnect After Programming box, AccessBase 2000 will automatically disconnect after the programming is complete. The toolbar, pictured as a hammer and screwdriver, is used to navigate to various screens. By selecting the toolbar, we will see the following selections: Global Network Settings, Credentials, Network, AccessBase, and Printer. The Global Network Settings screen includes settings that affect the entire installation: door validation groups or access levels, floor validation groups, time zones, and door schedules. All of these topics will be covered in Module 4. In the Credentials screen, we can add transmitters and cards, both individually and as blocks. It is important to remember that these transmitters and cards will not be active until they are added to a card holder. This information will be covered in Training Module 3. We can also view the entry and directory codes in the screen, but they cannot be added. Nodes or panels are viewed and configured in the network screen. In this installation, we have one AE1000 Plus in Network A. In AccessBase 2000, we can have 8 nodes networked together via RS-485 communication, and 8 networks, for a total of 64 nodes. These can be the AM3 Plus, AE1000 Plus, or the AE2000 Plus. In the AccessBase field, we can create operators that restrict the view of specific screens. We can also select different modems to dial with, create account holder fields in order to add additional information, and select different printers by selecting the printer option. This completes AccessBase 2000 training, Module 1. Please continue to Module 2. You may now exit the course.